Hello students, welcome to our English class. Today I am going to teach you a poem. The poem name is Once Upon a Time. Before moving, I would like to ask you, how are all of you? I hope all are good and enjoying the videos. Okay? If you like this video, then click on the button and subscribe my channel. Let us move forward. First of all, let us see the poem. The poem has written by the poet. The poet name is Jacqueline Shaw. She is the writer. She is the poet. What is meant by poet? Poet means who writes a poem. Let us see the information about the poet Jacqueline Shaw. She is an American poet who lives in Martinsburg with her family. She is the American poet. Her name is Jacqueline Shaw. She lives in Martinsburg with her family. Means she is from America and she lives in Martinsburg with her family members. Her book of poems, Good Dream Island, have been loved by children everywhere. She has written many poems. So she made a book of poems. She has given the name of her poems Good Dream Island. Okay, Good Dream Island, this is a collection of poems. So she has given the name of her poems book. It is Good Dream Island. Okay, let us move towards the next line. Have been loved by children everywhere, and the children love this collection of poems. Children love all the poems has included in her book. Everywhere her poems were famous. Means all the children love her poems. Next line. Through her poems, she wants to send out the message that good will always win over evil. It means through her poems, she wants to send the message in the world to everyone. Means everyone, she wants to give the message. Good always win over the evil, over the bad things. Thus, the poet want to give the message here that good will always win over evil. Okay? Let us see the poem. Once upon a time. The poet want to show here in this poem how the family members has spent the time with everyone. How they are happy with their family members. How they live together. Let us see the poem. Once upon a time, in a house so big and wide, the family that lived there were so happy inside. In the first stanza, there are 4 lines. It means it's called stanza. The 4 lines, group of lines are called stanza. Okay, let's see the stanza here. In the big house, once there was a big house. It was so big and wide. It means the house was very big. The family that lived there were so happy inside. And one of the family members, they were live there happily. They were so happy. They are enjoying a lot. It means, okay. What is meant by family? Family means there were members. The members were father and mother and their children. This group of peoples are included in the family members. Okay, let us see the next stanza. There was mommy and daddy, 2 little boys and girls. Every night they would gather in the living room. They would twill. In the second stanza, the poet want to show here. The poet want to say the family members, they were mommy and daddy and their children. The children, they are 2 little boys and girls. Every night they will gather in the living room, and every night all the family members they gather means they come together in the living room. They are enjoying, they are discussing with each other, they are take care each everyone. They will twill, they would twill means move around. All the girls and boys they play together and they were happy, and after that they would twill means they move around themselves. Okay, when you are happy you are showing your emotions, you are showing your feelings, your actions. At that time you move yourself. Some children they jump on a place. It shows they are very happy. They twill. Okay. In the third stanza, the poet say the dance and sang sweet song there. How close the family was. Their love was great. They shared. You see, they show they cared. In the third stanza, the poet want to say here how the family was very happy, how the children are very happy. When they are happy, they express their happiness. They move around themselves and they dance and sang. They are singing a song. They sang the sweet songs there. How close the family was and how all the members close to everyone. They are dancing together, they are sitting together, as well as they are talking each other, caring each other. Okay, means this line shows how close the family was. The love was great they shared. The love here, how they love each other. It shows how they close are. Everyone. They are loving each other, they are caring each other, and they are sharing their love with everyone. They are caring everyone. This line shows how the all members are close each other. Okay. Next line. You see, they show they care. You can see in this picture, they are loving each other. They are caring everyone. Okay. How they are happy with their family members. See this picture. All the family members are sitting in the living room. They are come together and they are enjoying a lot. They are very happy. They are dancing, singing. How much they are love each other, we can see in this picture. Okay, this is the happy family. Okay, in the next stanza I am reading. Remember that your family can be the same way too. Just trust and love each other and share each other's thought, because you need your family to communicate a lot. In this stanza, the poet want to say here, your family will be the same as we have seen in the first stanza. We have learned in the first stanza how the family, they were happy, they are living in a big house, they live together, they share everything with everyone. It means they love everyone, they cared everyone, and how much love they have been shared with everyone. This is the great, really great. It happened in the family. It will be the happen same in your family. Just what should you have to do? Just you have to trust your family members, love them, care them, and you can share everything with them. Share love, care them, share your thoughts, your feelings, your emotions, your love with your family members. Definitely they will love you, they care you, and your family will become happy. It's a great, because you need your family to communicate a lot, because we need our family members, we need to talk our family, we need to share everything, our feelings. We can share our feelings with family members, emotions, we can share our love. Okay, as well as we are sharing thoughts with our family members. We care them. So the poet want to say here, we need our family to communicate a lot. Communicate means here to express our thought. We need our family to express our feelings, thoughts. Okay? In the last stanza, the poet says, and as you all grow older, you will always know, in times of trials and troubles, to your family you can go. Trials and troubles means here problems. When you grow, you will understand, you know. You know means here, you will always know. Know means you understood. When you grow, at that time, you face many problems. Trials and troubles means you face many problems day by day, and you share your problems with family members. Family members is always support us. They support, they encourage, they motivate you towards the how to solve the problems, how to face the problems. And our family is, it can help us every time. Then the poet want to say here, to your family you can go. You can go to your family. It means you can share your problems with your family members. Definitely they will support you. Okay? Because they love you, they care you, and they know how to solve your problems better. Okay? I hope all of you understood this poem, Once Upon a Time. Okay, students? So everyone has to read this poem, learn the poem. It's very simple. Okay? Next video we will meet soon. Till up to bye. Okay, students? Bye everyone.